नमस्कार, बिहार मिथिला न्यूज़ के इस विशेष कार्यक्रम में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं तलत परवीन। दरभंगा के अभिभावकों के लिए एक कठिन प्रश्न और चुनौती होती है कि अपने छात्रों के करियर के लिए और आधारभूत शिक्षा को मजबूत करने के लिए किस स्कूल का चयन करें। ऐसे में दरभंगा के सैदनगर अवस्थित इंडियन पब्लिक स्कूल के छात्रों के लिए कला, विज्ञान, प्रदर्शनी, खेलकूद एवं डिबेट प्रतियोगिता के साथ उनके अनुशासन और राष्ट्रीय स्तर के प्रतिस्पर्धा की तैयारी कर बच्चों को परिपक्व बनाता है। देखें एक रिपोर्ट।
Hello, I am Sakshi Kumari from Standard 8. I have been a student at Indian English School for 10 years. Our school provides us smart classroom where we use learning of technology, excellent sports facilities for physical activities, opportunity for skill development to nurture our talent. Additionally, our school emphasizes holistic educations and overall growth and development. My teachers say me when I will complete my homework. Great job for finishing your homework. Take a moment to check and make sure to your concept and you are doing a great job.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Loni Misra, Standard 7. I have been attending Indian English School for almost years of now. Our school is incorporated modern smart classroom. Attending Indian English School for almost year of now. Incorporated modern smart classroom for interactive learning, a range of sports facility to physical activities.
Been students Indian English School for almost 10 years. We enjoy learning in modern smart classroom. Participation in diverse sports activities and enhance our abilities such as modern classroom activities, development programs.
My name is Santosh. I read in class 6. I have been studying at Indian English School nearly 7 years. We have access to state of an arts smart classroom for interactive learning, top-notch sports facilities for physical activities, and various skills development programs to cultivate our talent. Moreover, the school is committed to holistic education, catering of overall development.
In computer education, we receive instruction of computer skill, coding, and using various application software like MS Office, HTML, CSS to expand our knowledge and technology. At this Indian English School for almost a year. In this school, we have provided some sports facilities, well-occupied sports facilities and transport facilities. The school we have well-occupied classroom, sports facilities and computer labs for an extra curriculum activity to support our education and competitive programs.
I am Sakshi Jha from Standard 7th. I have been part of Indian English School almost 10 years. We benefit from high-tech smart classrooms, including outstanding sport facilities for physical fitness and programs for skill development. To explore our passions, the school also focuses on holistic education for studying our overall well-being and growth. And in our school, we have modern classroom, a well-stocked library, computer labs, enriching the extracurricular program to support our education and competitive programs. Certainly, our school, including computer education, to equip us with essential technological skills for the future. And our computer education encompasses a wide range of topics, including understanding hardware and software, learning coding languages, internet etiquette, using technology for research, creativity and presentations.
सारे मिथिला वासियों का धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ और साथ ही बिहार मिथिला मंच न्यूज़ के जो न्यूज़ एडिटर हैं मनोज जी, मैं उनका भी धन्यवाद करता हूँ. Well, as a principal of Indian English School, our primary focus is to provide a well-rounded education that encompasses academics, ethics and character development. Upon enrollments, we aim to create a learning environment that encourage critical thinking, problem solving and holistic development. Okay, well, in terms of disciplines, we have a structured approach that promotes respect, empathy, and integrity. We aim to instill this value in our students' daily lives and provide guidance and support to ensure their success academically, socially, and emotionally. Our goal is to nurture well-rounded individuals who are equipped with the excel in the global community. Currently offering free admission until January 28, and all the modern facilities are available for the students to use. This means that new students can enroll without having to pay any admissions fee, and they will have to access all the advanced facilities and service provided by the school. At our school, we organize a variety of competitions and games to foster the holistic development of our students, and these include sports, tournament, science fair, art contest, and academic cues, all aim to nurturing the talent and skill of our students in different aspects. I just want to take a moment to express my sincere gratitude to the media for your ongoing support and activities. Your dedications to sharing our stories with the school community is truly appreciated. Your contributions helps to showcase the talent and achievement of our students and staff, and we are honored to have your presence at our school. Thank you for helping us to celebrate the successes and milestone of our school community. Thank you once again, and we appreciate your ongoing support. Thank you very much.